What's going on, everybody? So today I'm with Marcus, Michaela, Philip, and we are headed out to the islands. The bull redfish are thick out there right now, like super thick, right?
Yep. Because
Marcus is on them right now. I'm not on them. I haven't been fishing, and I couldn't tell you how long, since our little competition when I bought the new boat.
Yep.
We're gonna go out there. I think we're gonna use some dead shrimp, some jig heads. I brought a Stratic 5000 with me. Hopefully we can hook up and I don't know, maybe have a timer to see how fast you can get one in and I can get one in and have a little competition there. Does that sound fun?
We can do that.
All right, we're doing that. So whoever wins, whoever loses has to buy the other one lunch. How about that? That sounds good, all right?
Yeah, we'll go with that.
We'll go with that, okay. Or I'll just buy him a drink, whatever. All right, that works. So y'all stick with us. Let's get out there. Let's have a good time. All right, guys, so what we're starting out, we got a Stratic 5000 on a, what is this, Travala? Yeah, Travala. Jig head, dead shrimp. And this is what we're gonna use to try to catch those redfish, so let's make it happen, y'all. Let's go. 30 minutes. Here, you want me to get that one in here?
Yeah, reel that one up for me.
It is, y'all. We have been waiting and waiting for this to happen. Gone.
Yeah, go ahead and reel them other ones up.
Last night we had a full moon, so we were hoping that later in the day we'd actually start getting some bites, and seemed to be like that's what's happening.
Somebody got this handle on backwards.
That's
wrong sided handle.
No, you wrong.
No, everybody else is wrong. What side you reel on with a bait caster? There ain't no difference between a bait cast and a spinning rod.
This guy's talking about. Pull them up with your strong arm, reel with your left hand. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. No, that's not leader. What we got here? Trolling motor. Let him go.
He saw the boat.
He saw the boat. He said, no, I don't want no part of that. It's a Penn
Fierce.
Penn Fierce.
3,000.
They just took you all the way around the boat.
Big red.
It's the big red you saw?
This way.
Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Look at him up there shaking his head. Get up in there. Try to go under the boat. Coming out.
There we go.
Chips. I don't want the fish strips. You want the fish strips? That's my butt on the...
There we go.
There we go, y'all. That's a nice redfish, big redfish.
Yeah. Oops.
Oh my goodness, that was almost a catastrophe. Look at that, y'all. Beautiful fish, man.
Yep.
How many dots you got? Just one on each? Nope, you got a couple.
One on two on that side.
Oh yeah, I love that.
Yep. But that's what we was out here for.
There we go. Let's get a release on it.
Oh, it didn't take him long to kick off.
Good job, man. Good job. All right, guys, one fish down. There we go. Let's
maybe they'll start biting for us.
Yeah, it might be time. It's midday, so that's what we've been waiting for, y'all. Let's get some more lines in the water and let's get it.
Enjoy your beer.
There we go.
Pompano!
Let's go!
Pompano!
Let's
oh,
go!
Shit!
Let's go! Don't get on there. Watch it.
Dude, that's a fine damn pompano too.
Let's go. They're behind the boat.
Hey, don't you throw him back either. He goes in the box up front.
In the box up front?
Yeah. Those don't get thrown back. That's a fine one, man.
Yeah. They're back there. Guys, so we were coming over this bar and saw a couple reds swimming, and grab your drone off there. Saw a couple reds saw a couple reds. You got a nice pompano, guys. And then the pompano just started jumping out of the water everywhere. So we stopped here, cast it back out behind the boat. I used a little shrimp, use it with a jig head. Boom. Let's do it again. So we're headed back in. We got that one pompano. So 1-to-1 on the challenge. So I guess I'll pay for him, he pays for me. You know, I'll just know to order the most expensive thing on the dollar menu.
Yeah. I'm buying him dollar menu, he's buying me a steak.
I don't know how that's working out, but that's different. But all right, guys, we're about to head back in, and we'll see you at the dock. Today was a lot of fun. Went out to the island. Oh, they got the fire rescue guys going out there.
Something happened.
Yeah, something happened.
Fireboat.
Yep. Uh-oh. Sure that y'all can hear that. Okay, so they're gonna pass. Okay. All right. Great day today. Caught a redfish, pompano. I wish we could have got the pompano coming out of the water all over the place. That was pretty cool. There were redfish all over the place too, but we only managed one. He caught 2 this morning on his charter. Yesterday he caught 15.
Yeah.
So hopefully
I think the full moon screwed him up.
Yeah, so there was a full moon last night, which is okay. I mean, whatever. We have plenty more days to go out there and make it happen.
We didn't get skunked.
Yes,
that's all that matters.
That is very true. Yeah, so we don't have to buy each other dinner. That's something. But yeah, we had a blast, guys. If you want to go on a charter and you want to have a good time, man, I highly recommend Marcus. He's been with us for a while now. Saltwater Therapy Custom Charters. Check him out. He'll put you on fish. There's no doubt about it. Today was just a tough day. He took people out this morning. They had a blast. They caught a lot of fish. They had a great time. Yesterday they had a blast. They caught a bunch of fish. So we just got there a little late. That's what happens. Definitely check him out. Anything you want to say?
Book a trip. Let's go.
Yeah, go fishing.
Come get you some saltwater therapy.
There you go. There you go. Yeah, all right. I'll see y'all later. Love y'all.